Hey guys, how you all doing? Hope you're all doing fine. Woof, 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 woof. No, Misty isn't here, but anyway, we're gonna have a little fun, some funny games, I think. One little strange game. Oh, woof. Oh, spot the Hoover. Can you see one at all? Let's make sure I've got this camera around the right way, so I don't switch it off accidentally. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? That's one. I hope I didn't have a hand over the lens. Let's do it again. How's that? You just spot the Hoover. Well, you let me know in the comments down below, because I haven't finished yet. Oh. Right. Well. Whoa. You let me know in the comments down below how many Hoovers there are, and how many do you think I need, and how many do you think I should have, and let me know if I've got enough Hoovers. Okay. Have a good day, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the day. It's a beautiful day outside. I'll just carry on doing my fiddling around here. Thanks very much for watching. Help me get to over 1k subscribers like I will do you. Masibuku for watching. Goodbye. Woof, woof.